Alright, I'm about to start building my 500i. I've had this thing for about a year and figure it's about time. Been on my bench long enough. I got this thing and it was busted pretty bad. It's definitely not going to be a perfect saw, but I'm going to patch it together and see what I can do with it. I got to fix the cases first. That corner's broke off for the rear mount above the tank. There's the piece for it. It was still on the mount. I'm going to attempt to probably going to fill that hole corner in right there. And then carve it back, try to make it strong as I can. And then the infamous limiter pocket over here, busted out. This is actually a case half that I'd bought for a fairly reasonable price because of this. I fixed multiples of these. No big deal on that. Because the other case, it was in a little worse shape. Pretty bad. But it's kind of just strung out here everywhere. Anyway, I'll try to bring y'all along on this project here and there and put something together. Alright. I haven't done anything to them besides weld them. I went ahead and grabbed the recoil while I was over here. It was cracked there. It probably would have been fine, but I just went ahead and fixed it too. And then this corner, I think it'll work. I'm probably gonna go ahead and throw a little short video up of these cases, and then I'll just try to keep posting videos as I work on it. I'll have a good one.